Everyone, I'm just back with another paid internship, and this one is for web development. And the best part, students from any branch can apply for this internship. This internship is offered by InternMitra Technologies, and it is completely virtual. So students across India can apply from home. The duration of this internship is 8 weeks. The stipend ranges from 5,000 to rupees 15,000 per month. So from here, you can find all the information about the web development internship. So it is virtual internship, that is you'll work from home, and the start date is immediately, and the duration of this internship will be 8 weeks, and the stipend will be provided is rupees 5,000 to rupees 15,000 per month, and number of credits you'll get is 4. You should apply by July 2026. Hey, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button because in this channel I post the videos related to tech updates, job updates, internship updates, and free courses. So make sure you subscribe the channel and on the notification bell for latest updates. And the perks which you'll get are so this internship is designed to provide hands-on experience in modern web development technology. You will work on real-world projects, learn both front-end, back-end development, and understand the complete web development life cycles. So you basically will be having all complete knowledge on web development, and also you'll get the stipend. So don't miss this opportunity. Next, who can apply? So the candidates from any branch can apply. If you're a student, you can apply for this internship, and from any specialization, that is, if you're from IT, non-IT, or if you have experience on this, you can apply. Non-IT also, if you have like if you're interested to learn web development, or if you have basic idea of web development, then you can apply. And those who are available for duration of 8 weeks are eligible for this internship, as this is virtual internship, that is work from home. So you can spend some time on this internship, and those who have relevant skills and interest. So you must have interest and basic knowledge about this you should have, then only you'll get shortlisted for this. And number of openings is only 10, so there will be more competition in this. So to stand out, make sure you have relevant skills and you are working on your resume. Make a good resume so that they can shortlist you easily. So for resume videos, I have already prepared that videos. You can check out them from my channel, or I'll just post the link in the description. You can check out from there and just click on I'm not a robot and click on apply now. Apply now. You're logging as a student. Click on confirm. So here there are two processes. One is if you already have account in AICTE portal, then you can just log in. Or if you don't have, you need to create. For creating, just click on register now. So from this two, select anyone. If you are affiliated to AICTE, then click this. And if you are non-AICTE, then click this one. To know whether you are AICTE affiliated or not, just click here and check it. If you are non-AICTE, then you can enter by yourself, like your institute name, college, institute, state, city, and then you can click I confirm the above details. And if you're AICTE affiliated, then just click this, and from here you can select your college or institute name. You need to give your first name, middle name, last name. So first name is compulsory, these two are optional. Next, contact number, student ID. Student ID in the sense your roll number, and upload ID card, and the size should be less than 3 MB. Your email, Aadhaar number, because this is government approved, you need to give your Aadhaar number. Security question, like you can select your security question and the answer for it. Gender, category, like what's your caste and all. Then last past course, like suppose if you are currently pursuing BTech or like graduation, then what you need to select is 12th, or diploma you need to select. And if you are pursuing 12th, you should select 10. Okay. Then academic percentage, just write something like 90, 80. Don't include percentage symbol. Okay. Then password, then click on confirm password, then click on I'm not a robot, then click on register. And after registering, you can just click on login, click on student, Click on confirm, give your mail ID and the password which you gave while registering. And then click on I'm not a robot, click on login. Okay, click on login. So again go back to this page and just click on I'm not a robot and click on apply now. So I need to update my profile, otherwise I can't apply for this internship. So to update your profile, you can just click on profile and click on edit here. Then from here you can update all your details, and you need to update all your details, and very specifically you need to update the details which are star marked. They are very important. So you need to fill all the details and then you can successfully apply for the internship. So that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, do like, hype and share this with your friends. And if you have any doubts regarding this video or any other videos from my channel, you can just let me know in the comment box. I'll surely reply to everyone. So see you next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.